How do you get MidJourney but then for free? In today's video we'll show you how to get MidJourney without paying by using Willow AI. If you are excited about using artificial intelligence, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First, go to Google and search for Willow AI. Then, click on the first website, bluewillow.ai. On that website you will find a button that says join the free beta. It will take you to a platform similar to Discord called MidJourney, where you can do the same things as on MidJourney, like using the command /imagine and typing the prompt for what you want to create. But before you can do that, just need to verify your Discord account. You will receive a direct message with a verification link. Just click on the link what says click me to verify. It will take you to a strange website for verification. Now go to a channel called Rookie and do the same thing you will do on the MidJourney server. Use the command /imagine and type what you want to create. As an example, let's say you want to generate a picture of a person and nature. You can also upscale it or create a new version of the picture you like. That's it. Now you have a free version of MidJourney that you can easily use. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.